Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens so quickly this week. But the trick to all this is you can't hope it's going to work out, and you can't wish things are going to change for you. You have to know in your heart that what you and I are about to say out loud is your new money truth. Because this place you and I are living in, it's the Matrix. If we can change our identity and our self-concept, the timeline and what we experience in this lifetime changes. And quantum physics shows that everything around us is 99.999999% empty space. That means what you and I think we see as the real physical reality is not real at all. And so make sure you watch this video in full every day so you really get an activation of the invisible money forces you can start tapping into. And now, before we jump into it, throw a like on this video if you're okay claiming to receive more money in your life. And make sure you're subscribed so you can come back to this video easier and do these daily practices. And now comment below invisible money forces. Are you ready to get started? Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just be right here in this moment. And now repeat exactly after me. Money is my friend and ally. Prosperity and abundance are now mine. Money is not something you get, it's something you tune into. And I now tune into my greatest life. I understand the principle of giving and receiving. I'm a great giver and a great receiver. I give without any expectation of return. And so I give money infinite love and goodness. Money is merely my servant. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works, but to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day, and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. I am a great steward of money. I do so much good with the great money that I have. And therefore, money multiplies in my existence. Whoa, something amazing just happened. I just received money out of the blue. I feel so grateful and infinitely blessed. And my life is becoming very synchronistic. Before we go any further, comment below, I'm in the receiving mode for money. I am in the receiving mode for money. Let's continue. I love the money game and know it so well. And now I have a self-image of riches and abundance. Wow, something amazing happened again. I just received more money out of the blue. I feel at peace and free with money. When I think about money, it feels amazing. Now let's solidify that as well. Comment below, when I think about money, it feels amazing. When I think about money, it feels amazing. And now finally, let's do our activation exercise together. The first step to our exercise is go ahead and comment below, I just now received, and then put a certain amount of money. But make sure it's a very believable, doable number. So it could be something like $500, $1,000, something that's manageable and believable. Now, after that's commented, go ahead and see in your imagination your bank account increase by that exact number. And as you're seeing that number, you're going to start thinking the thoughts like, I can't believe this stuff works. This is amazing. Wow, thank you, universe. This is amazing that I just received this amount of money. You're also going to go ahead and state within or without, out loud, how good it feels to receive that money. It feels so relieving. It feels so freeing. It feels so good. In your imagination, now see yourself using the money. What would you utilize the money for? To pay a bill, to pay off some debt, to save, to invest. And try to get to the place where you're vibrating at the feeling of completion, or vibrating at the frequency of completion. Because the key to all this is you have to fuse with it as if it's already done, as if it's a natural byproduct of who you are today. And when you receive the money on the physical plane, the thought needs to be, of course this happens, because you're already somebody who receives this kind of money. Take a breath in and a breath out, and then go ahead and say, and so it is. And now is the surrendering time. Let it go out of your mind completely. Don't think about it ever again. Just go ahead and leave it. So to solidify this, comment also below the word surrender. You surrender and let it go. And then what you do from here is just go ahead and look for synchronicities in awareness, but don't think about how the money is going to come or where it's going to come from or when. You just stay in why you want it and what it is, allowing yourself to see synchronicity and stay present. And then also take action on any inspiring, exciting ideas that come forth, like intuitive ideas, a next thing to do in your job, in a business, or anything else. Start opening up channels to receive the money supply. Because what manifesting really is increasing the probability that these realities become yours, that you actually start seeing the physical result on the physical plane with a combination of who you are as an identity plus the action you take in the physical plane. And by the way, it's okay to have a lot of money. As my first mentor, Bob Proctor, would say, money magnifies who you already are today. If you're a good person, it's going to make you a very good person. And if you're a bad person, it's going to make you a very bad person. Money can just magnify the good and service you do for the world. Scott Haug signing off here, and I look forward to seeing you over in the next video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being a part of my Soul Tribe family.